I'm Fiona Forbes for InvestmentPitch Media. Thank you for joining us today. Nextech AR Solutions, a Metaverse company and leading provider of augmented reality experience technologies and 3D model services, announced the terms of the spin-out of Toggle3D. Launched in September, Toggle3D is an AR-enhanced standalone web application which enables product designers, 3D artists, marketing professionals, and e-commerce site owners to create, customize, and publish high-quality 3D models and experiences with new features allowing multiple users to work on the same project at the same time. The goal is for anyone with no prior technical or 3D design experience to be able to hop into the platform and create a high-quality 3D visual in minutes. With the platform created as a web-based design studio, the user can access everything on the browser with no downloads involved, no updates to keep track of, and no system requirements to worry about. Nextech plans to spin out the Toggle3D platform and associated assets into a new subco by way of a plan of arrangement. Upon completion of the spin-out, it is expected that Nextech will retain approximately 65% of the shares of the subco, with approximately 20% of the shares being distributed directly to Nextech shareholders on a pro rata basis, and the balance of 15% of the shares being distributed to certain service providers of Nextech in payment of past services. Following the completion of a proposed private placement, these percentages will be adjusted. The subco intends to raise up to $1.5 million from the placement of 6 million subscription receipts priced at 25 cents each, with the funds held in escrow. Following satisfactory completion of the terms of transaction and standard closing conditions, the subscription receipts will be automatically exchanged for units consisting of 1 share and 1 warrant, with the warrant exercisable at $1 for 36 months, subject to an acceleration clause. When everything is completed, Toggle3D will be applying to list on the Canadian Securities Exchange. The record date for the spin-off has not yet been set. The newly listed company will be led by Evan Gappelberg as the CEO, and for more information regarding the other directors and officers, please refer to today's news release. Evan Gappelberg, Nextech CEO, has joined us to discuss today's news. Welcome, Evan.
Thank you, Fiona. So we announced today the details of our generative AI IPO spinout, which is Toggle3D. We see Toggle3D as disruptive technology that's going to be able to take CAD files, computer-aided design files that all manufacturers use, import them into the platform at scale, and spit them out onto the web as 3D models. And so that company is currently inside Nextech. Just like ARway was inside Nextech, we've been incubating Toggle3D for quite some time now. And just like we spun out ARway, symbol ARWYF on the OTC and ARWY on the CSE, back on October 26, 2022, we're going to spin out Toggle3D. And the purpose of these spin-outs is multifold, actually. One, of course, the main reason is to unlock the value for Nextech shareholders of these platforms, of these technologies. Nextech currently produces 3D models for Amazon. That is our primary business. ARway was spun out to unlock the value of augmented reality wayfinding. That created about $50 million. We believe there's a tremendous amount of shareholder value currently trapped inside Nextech, and that these spin-outs are aimed at unlocking that value. We're listing Toggle3D on the CSE and the OTC as a pure-play technology company, and we believe that just like ARway, it's going to create tremendous value for Nextech shareholders. If you look at Toggle3D, you're, as a shareholder in Nextech, going to get a stock dividend, just like you got in ARway. And that is extremely valuable. Nextech will continue to hold 50%. That's extremely valuable. So we look at this as win-win. Pure play technology company that's going to be able to raise capital without diluting Nextech shareholders, again, there's a multitude of benefits for Nextech and Nextech shareholders by having these spin-outs. And if you think about technology, it's constantly changing. It's constantly innovating. AI is clearly the next mega trend, along with 3D, along with AR, along with machine learning. And if you think about the phone that's in your pocket today, that we use every day, we don't even think about, the next generation of devices are going to emerge quite quickly in the form of computer glasses or mixed reality glasses. These glasses are likely going to be launched in 2023. There's already a bunch of them out there already, but Apple, of course, is the 800-pound gorilla. And when they launch their glasses, which is expected in 2023, previously it was augmented reality glasses. Now it's mixed reality glasses. Bottom line is, when that happens this year, 2023, I expect a major shift in investor focus, and everything that's 3D, everything that's augmented reality, which is all of our technology. It's augmented reality wayfinding, it's 3D models for e-commerce, it's Toggle3D. All of these businesses, I believe, are going to go up dramatically in value, and it'll seem like it's overnight, but it's actually been building for the past decade. So we believe at Nextech that there's this major shift in focus coming, and we believe that now is the perfect time to get positioned in front of that tidal wave. And we believe that Nextech, with all these technologies that we own, that we're spinning out to our investors, and continue to have a major stake in, will benefit quite dramatically in 2023 and beyond. Thank you.
Thanks so much for that, Evan. As Evan mentioned, Nextech AR Solutions leverages proprietary artificial intelligence to create 3D experiences for the metaverse. Following these spin-outs, Nextech's current business is creating 3D web AR photorealistic models for the Prime e-commerce marketplace, as well as many other online retailers. The company has a proven track record of developing or acquiring what it believes are disruptive technologies, and once commercialized, spinning them out as standalone public companies. Nextech has been a favorite with investors, particularly following the highly successful spin-off of ARway in October. With ARway currently trading at $1.15, Nextech's holdings of 13 million shares are contributing about $15 million to Nextech's market capitalization. The Toggle3D software addresses the global computer-aided design market, which is expected to grow from $9.89 billion US in 2022 to $17.47 billion US by 2030, a compound annual growth rate of 6.9% according to a recent report by Research and Markets, the world's largest market research store. The shares are trading at 77 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website at nextechar.com. Contact Evan Gappelberg, CEO, at 866-274-8493. For investor relations, contact Lindsay Betts at 866-274-8493, extension 7201, or by email at investor.relations@nextechar.com. I'm Fiona Forbes for Investment Pitch Media.